Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Join me as I go to northern Portugal to try a simple yet amazing soup called Caldo Verde, which literally means green broth. I remember I first heard of this soup in a TV show Anthony Bourdain shot in Portugal, and I've been making it once in a while ever since. It's a one-pot recipe, and as most soups, it's very easy to make. So let's get started. I roughly chop 2 onions and 600 grams of potatoes. Then I throw them in a large pot, add a couple of garlic cloves, and about 2 liters of water. You can also use chicken or vegetable stock if you have it, but I find caldo verde to be absolutely great even without it, thanks to this next ingredient. It should be either linguiça or chouriço, 2 types of Portuguese sausage, the latter being normally, but not always, a little fatter and spicier. As neither of them is available where I live, I'm using Spanish chorizo. Otherwise, any smoked sausage should do, like kielbasa for example. So after I've taken the skin off half of it, which is approximately 100 grams, I throw it in whole. I'll let the caldo simmer for about 45 minutes while I start working on the verde part of the dish. I washed 250 grams of collard greens, which is what's used in Portugal. Any green leafy cabbage is a valid substitute, including kale, but my preference would go to cavolo nero, which I've used in the past. First, I remove the central stem of the bigger leaves. Then I slice them. I've seen them being julienne very thinly, by hand or with food processors, but this will do. Back to my caldo now. It's been cooking for 45 minutes, so I'll add about a teaspoon of salt, take out the chorizo, and I'll blend the soup. I never blend it completely as I like it creamy but not too thick, and I enjoy the occasional bits of potatoes in it. Now I add the collard greens, then also a drizzle of olive oil, let's say 1 or 2 tablespoons. Time to slice the chorizo, add it to the soup, and simmer for another 15 to 20 minutes. You could probably keep it a bit longer if you're using cavolo nero or kale, but it depends on how you like your vegetables, so it's always good to check before you turn off the heat. And here is this extremely simple, yet incredibly satisfying and comforting soup. So nice! Perfect for the winter months, or really just any day of the year if you live in Scotland. Have you ever made this soup? And if not, will you give it a try? Let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. So, where are we going next?